Today, let's dive into Akihabara, Tokyo's iconic electric town and a haven for tech enthusiasts and pop culture fans. Known for its dazzling array of electronic shops, Akihabara is a paradise for gadget lovers. Whether you're hunting for the latest tech innovation or searching for rare anime collectibles, this district has it all. From massive electronic stores to tiny quirky shops, there's always something new to discover. But Akihabara isn't just about electronics. It's also a vibrant center for otaku culture. Dive into themed cafes where you can enjoy a unique experience surrounded by your favorite anime characters, or explore the countless manga and anime stores that line the streets. The area has a fascinating history too. Originally a hub for electrical goods in the post-war era, Akihabara has evolved into a global destination for everything from cutting-edge technology to retro gaming. And here is a tip. Don't miss the chance to visit one of Akihabara's famous arcades. They offer a nostalgic trip back to the golden age of gaming, with everything from classic pinball machines to modern gaming consoles. Whether you're a tech geek, anime fan, or just curious about Tokyo's unique culture, Akihabara is a must-visit destination that electrifies the senses. Au revoir and keep exploring.